Hi guys, today here I have the RoverTac pocket knife multi-tool folding knife. So check it out right here. It comes with this knife, a handy, come on in. I want you to see this handy carrying case, okay? And this is for the screwdriver stuff, okay? So I'm gonna show this to you right now, okay? So here's the screwdriver. Okay, so that's cool. Couple different openers. Okay, and let's see. I see, oh, let's see the knife here. Let me figure out how to do the knife. Okay, so that's the knife right there. And I believe there's one, so take on a look right here. So pretty good knife, screwdriver set, and so this, I believe, is the pliers. So you gotta be careful, but yeah, so look at that. That's the plier tool. And okay, let me put that back. Okay, and then this is gonna go back. So one thing I wanna show you guys too is that it comes with these little attachments. Come on in. So the way you do it is you just put, see how that goes on right there, and then you can pick any one of these. So I just pick another head. Wait a minute. This one, oh, I had it the wrong way. And then right here. So check that out, guys. Thanks for watching. Okay.